Once upon a time, in the kingdoms of Solara and Lunaris, there lived a princess named Elara and a prince named Kale. Their lands were separated by a deep, mystical forest said to be cursed, forbidding any from traveling between the two realms. But fate had other plans for them. One day, during a rare celestial alignment, both the sun and the moon cast their light upon a hidden glade in the cursed forest, dispelling its magic for a brief moment. It was here, in this enchanted spot, that Princess Elara of Solara and Prince Kale of Lunaris first met. Drawn by an invisible force, they found themselves in each other's presence and instantly felt a connection as if their souls had known each other for lifetimes. Despite the deep-seated rivalry between their kingdoms, Elara and Kale returned to the forest every night, under the cover of darkness, to meet in secret. They fell deeply in love, aware that their love was forbidden and would only spark conflict between their families. As their love grew, so did the danger. Word eventually reached the kings of Solara and Lunaris about their children's secret meetings. Angered by the betrayal of their royal duties and the threat to their kingdom's fragile peace, both rulers vowed to end the love that blossomed in the cursed forest. On the eve of the next celestial alignment, when the magic of the glade was at its weakest, soldiers from both kingdoms stormed the forest. Elara and Kale, sensing the impending doom, refused to flee. They met at their secret spot one last time, clutching each other tightly, tears in their eyes. With no way out and the armies closing in, they vowed eternal love to each other. As the moon and sun aligned once more, casting their final blessing upon the lovers, Elara and Kale took their last breath in each other's arms. The magic of the forest, sensing the purity of their love, enveloped them in golden light, turning their bodies into shimmering stardust that ascended to the sky. The kingdoms, upon seeing their sacrifice, called off the battle. They knew that Elara and Kale's love was something no war could conquer. From that day on, the cursed forest became known as the Forest of Eternal Vows, and every night, the stars formed the shapes of the princess and prince, forever intertwined, watching over the lands they once called home. Their love lived on, immortalized in the stars, reminding all who gazed upon them that true love knows no boundaries, even death.